Hey, point at Nugget again. I want to see what happens. Nothing happened last time. I don't really think Nugget's afraid. I'm pretty sure you muted him last time. I heard the button click. Well, the ghost is certainly following where you're going, Nugget. I don't know. The ghost likes you, I guess.
Hey, ban me.
What the freak? Did the ghost just burp? Did the ghost just burp on us? I think the ghost just burped on us. We found a burping ghost. It's called Find Me. It's not really hiding anywhere. Yeah, apparently you look like you're making out with the ghost. What the freak? Oh, it left. The ghost burped on Nugget and then left.
I think that's the way he bans people.